Hello, welcome to Self-Work. This is Dr. Margaret Rutherford, and I have another special announcement for this week. I'll be doing part 2 of Perfectionism Meets Pandemic, and I'd love to have you there. We had lots of folks for part 1, and it was a great discussion with lots of really good questions at the end. Again, it's this Thursday, August the 13th at 6 o'clock Central Standard Time. If you want to register, you can go to my website at drmargaretrutherford.com/workshop. If you'd like to listen to part 1, it's available there too. And then you can register for part 2. It'll be about an hour and 15 minutes. And I sure hope you can be there. It's free. And since it's Zoom, although you'll be muted during my actual talk, we'll open it up for questions and comments at the end. Part 2 is going to be on what you can do about it, as we often focus on that here at Self-Work. And I'll include the 5 stages of healing that can be so helpful. So come join me again, drmargaretrutherford.com/workshop in order to listen to part 1 and to register for part 2. I hope I see you there. Thanks so much.